Nice to meet you. I'm the Bat Controller's track inspection car. It's my job to make sure everything is safe and good working order. The Bat Controller isn't quite used to driving me yet. It can get a little bumpy, but with you as my driver, I'm sure it'll be a smooth journey. There's plenty to see and do. Let's see what the other engines are up to. Look, there's Bertie the bus, busy with his passengers. Knapford Station looks busy today. Everything seems to be running smoothly. The Bat Controller will be pleased. Let's see if we can spot Thomas. Who's that big frame up ahead? Oh, it's Cranky. I hope he isn't too cranky today. Off we go around the bend to see Harold on his penny tours. Whee! Oh, this is fun. Let's get the Sodal cars a honking hello and a wave. Thank you for helping me with the track inspection today. Everyone is on track and on time.